Hello, I'm Kurt Browning, Pasco County Superintendent of Schools. Thank you for coming out for open house. The beginning of the school year is an exciting time, full of possibilities and anticipation. The fact that you're here shows that you are involved in your child's education. Please continue to set this good example. Children who don't have the benefit of parental involvement in their learning are more inclined to fall behind or don't see the benefits of studying and staying in school. It doesn't take much time to make a difference in a child's academic achievement. If you have an elementary student, try to carve out 20 or 30 minutes in the evening to read with your student or have them read to you. If your student is in middle or high school, spend a few minutes discussing what they learned that day in class. Ask probing questions like what they're working on in math class or what book they're reading in language arts. Another way to keep up with your student's schooling is to establish a My Student account. We're moving to more digital information, including report cards, so it's important that you have an account so you can see grades, attendance, referrals, and their schedules. Even elementary school parents need to have an account. To set up your parent account, go to the district's website, www.pascoschools.org, and click on the My Student link under Helpful Links. You also can stay connected to your student's education by making sure all of your contact information is up to date. We communicate a lot through phone messages, emails, and text messages these days, so please include your mobile phone number and email addresses in your student's records. To make sure you receive text messages, please text the letter Y to 67587. All schools have business cards with these directions. You can also stay up on school and school district information by liking our Facebook page and following us on Twitter and Instagram. You can find all of these accounts under Pasco Schools. Speaking of social media, it's important to monitor your students' accounts and to know who they're connecting with. It's also important for adults to set a positive example for their students on social media by not sharing irresponsible rumors. If you see something on social media that concerns you, please don't share it with friends. Share it with law enforcement or your school administration. Nothing is more disruptive than the spread of rumors through social media. On a related note, and I know I sound like a broken record, but please remind your student to never ever make a verbal or social media threat to kill or commit violence at school, not even as a joke. Too many promising young people have faced felony charges, which means possible prison time, by making irresponsible threats of violence. An offhand comment can actually ruin a child's life. This brings me to school safety. Our schools have never had more safety measures in place than they do today. Every school has a school resource officer or a school safety guard. They all are well trained and prepared to take action to protect our students and staff. Classroom doors and outside gates should all be locked during class time. That has been my direction to schools. Finally, please make sure your child is in school every day he or she is able. Students can't get that world-class education if they're not in their seats. We do monitor attendance, and it is a factor in our early warning system for identifying students at risk of not graduating. We want all of our students to graduate so they can be successful in college, career, and life. Student safety and successes are our top priorities, and there is nothing more important to a student's success than parental involvement, both at home and at school. So again, thank you for attending this open house, and thank you for being involved in your child's education. I hope everyone has a very successful school year.